Hi, this is Craig from Sulcata Grove, and I'm here with Valerie, and today we're going to be taste testing an Edward mango. I can't remember if we've tasted Edward before. It's an older variety. It's actually the parentage of a lot of the newer varieties. A lot of them have Edward as the either mother or father one. This one smells really good.
Oh, it does.
So, let's jump in. Like I said, I can't really say that I remember having Edward before.
I know I haven't.
We had one we got off
Ooh,
Pine
it
Island
smells
before.
very...
Ooh.
This one might be slightly overripe. It's starting to get a little bit of the black spots on there.
It smells super warm.
It does kind of have a warm...
Like a really warm smell.
Yeah.
Tropical, very island. Good. Very mango-y.
It's getting spots and yet it's still a little green. At like the very tip.
It feels a little bit
It's firm a little
like
bit.
a little bit of fiber in there, maybe.
It's a really good one. It's really good fruit.
Yeah, it feels like there's some fiber near the core, but not too bad.
Yeah.
That's delicious.
That's good.
It's creamy. It has like a little bit
It reminds
of
me a little bit of a Valencia Pride, flavor-wise.
With coconut cream.
We think so? Coconut? Yeah, I can see that. Very good coconut tone. Mango. There's no real pineapple-y or anything like that. A little bit of astringency, but not strong.
I didn't get that. I got a little chalkiness, which I like. Creamy, chalky,
Like-
coconut.
It's not that creamy to me, though.
One spot I hit which was really like...
But definitely...
It's like each part of it has
There is
like a
some
different
fiber,
texture.
but there is some fiber, but it's very minimal.
Mm-hmm.
Certainly not to the objectionable level. It's a little chalkier than I like. I tend to find that that's not always a characteristic of the cultivar as much as it is the cultivation. That some of them off the same tree will be chalkier than others. Slight tiny bit maybe of papaya.
But not in a bad.
Not strong enough to, because I don't like papaya. I'm sorry for papaya fans out there. I don't like papaya at all. There's a little bit of that tone in there, but not strong. Maybe even a little bit of a jackfruity kind of flavor in there. But good. None of those flavors are like overly strong though. So it's a nice kind of a blend. It's sweet, but it's not really like overly sweet. But that sweetness often is balanced with a tartness, and this really doesn't have much tartness at all. It's very good. But I can definitely see why this would be chosen as a parent one, because it's got a lot of these kind of other fruity tones in there, but none of them are that strong. But if you mix this with something else, it might bring out some of those, and I think that's what they've done with all these. But you want to see?
Sure.
But so anyway, that's Edward. Like I said, I don't know a whole lot about it. It is an older, I'm pretty sure it's an older Florida variety. Should be readily available. And it's not the most. It's not the most complex. It's not the. If it was a little sweeter, I would probably like it better. It's just, but it's good. It's a good mango. It's especially because this is the very beginning of our season. At the very beginning of the season, all mangoes taste pretty good. So probably at the end of the season, I don't think I would rate this one as high.
It's also a lot sweeter.
Is it sweeter?
Right next to the seed. Yeah.
So maybe, I don't know, I would give it, I guess I'd give it a 6.5 to 7.
Oh, I was gonna say an 8.
Yeah, same 8.
Well, I'm trying to balance it where I would put it like
We're
mid-season.
an 8.
All right, so
Solid 8.
7 to 8, then that's kind of the consensus. But anyway, very good. This is probably some people's favorite. It probably grows very well, but like I said, I don't know much about the tree. Anyway, what would you give it out of 10?
8.
8 out of 10 also. Okay. Well, that's Edward. So hope you enjoyed watching, and we'll see you next time.
Pick the mango from the tree, and the mango down to me. Put the mango in a